going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. So we got this trench drain in a big box store tire center. It's clogged up. So the drain runs out the side wall there. So we're gonna use the K60 and snake this out. It most likely goes to a trap, but I don't see any cleanouts or anything where the trap would be. We don't know for sure. So I'm just gonna plug in here. There's that. Got the old knee pads so that my knees don't get all destroyed. Yeah, so we're hoping that this is a fairly close blockage. So I'm just gonna use that head there, the four blade cutter. Basically everything that goes down this thing is sand, salt, stuff like that off the cars. But then also get a lot of like tire caps, stuff like that as well. So here goes. So there you go. The blockage was nice and close. It was close. Somewhere in there. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep feeding this cable, then we'll pull it back, see if anything actually comes back. But my guess is just gonna be the debris that's going down there. Nothing major. How's it going? Oh, not too bad.
You get it?
Yeah. So I think I'm actually gonna plug that up and then let it wash away. Do you guys have any regs or anything like that?
Oh yeah.
Basically want to create a stop now to plug it up and then flush it all out.
We got a bit of,
They can be dirty, that's fine.
we got a few, and then we got like this whole bin of.
This is fine, it should be. Thank you.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna let that fill up. I'm gonna clean my cable here.
That's not yesterday, that.
You like it?
No, it wasn't that. I was pretty cool still, so I spoke like I was.
Oh, no, I'm back. Just really good tickets.
So you guys want to know where I was going to lock maybe? Popeyes. Have you seen their new thing? They're doing a collab with Popeyes. They're doing a collab with Popeyes.
Oh, I've seen that.
All right, so now I'm just gonna rearrange my cables. Basically, clean it, put them in neater so that yeah, some garbage. So there seems to be a trap, so like almost like a floor drain, probably over there where that that pipe is, and all that stuff will get plugged up in it, and then eventually just back it up. All right. Well, there you guys go. Draining nice and good now. There should be some sort of stopper in there, but unfortunately there's not. Oh no. So I want to thank you guys for watching. It's been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Dragna.